Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Lego screwdriver. You'll need 2 circle pieces. I can't get these apart, let's just check it out. 3 red blocks and that. It works on some screws, not all screws. Okay, first you put all 3 blocks together. Then you put the circle blocks in there, and then you just put that on. And you have your screwdriver. There are many other designs, and if you're wondering what this is, it's a clothes rack. Get that on recording session, clothes rack. So yep. And I hope you enjoyed this how to make video. Peace! Oh my god,